infrared, and we're in Corona so that you don't have to be. It's Friday, March 29th, about 2:34 in the afternoon. 2:34 is my favorite times of day. And we're at the 103rd Street Corona Plaza stop to see what the effect has been in the last year of cities' stricter enforcement of vendor regulations around here. So this is, as I said, Corona Plaza, and it's a plaza. This area you see here with these vendors around the perimeter. Imagine last year at this time, or 2 years ago before the regulations took place, there were vendors pretty much the entire width of the plaza, and I don't remember selling goods like this. Food stalls like this and this and this. Well, there's a curiosity, that public toilet. I've only seen two others in the city, at Madison Square Park and at Grand Army Plaza. Anyway, there are food vendors, and you can see them along National Street as well. But there were many more in the plaza itself. So, why did the city start enforcing? I don't remember whose complaints started the crackdown. A lot of the brick and mortar stores around here don't sell comparable things, but okay. So much for city regulations. This is infrared. This is what you've been watching.